Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and today I thought I would do a YouTube video for my channel which has a purpose. I'm sure that many of you watching this video right now are considering of becoming a day trader. I'm also sure that many of you are currently day traders but trading in a loss. And today I wanted to do a video which kind of helps you all save money. You know, I've now been a day trader for 7 years, and when I look back at my trading, my short trading career, especially at the start of it, there's so many things that I kind of wish that I changed, or there's so many things that I wish that I didn't do, which actually ended up resulting in me losing a lot of money. So I thought today I would do a video to help you guys, those people who are about to start their day trading journeys, and hopefully help you save some money. So for those who don't know me, my name is Max and I am the founder of this channel, Daily Market Movements. As I mentioned before, I've been trading now for just over 7 years, and for the past 3 years I have been running a successful trading signal service, where over the past 3 years I've had over 1,000 day traders just message me for general advice, general questions with regards to trading, whether it be what broker should I open a trading account with, how much money should I be hoping to make in the first 6 months. But the one question that really stood out for me, which I probably get the most, is, Max, how much money should I first start with? You know, this is a big deal. You know, you're about to become a day trader. How much money do you need to become a trader? Well, the one thing that really shocked me is that, you know, I've had a lot of big clients over the past 3 years, and you know, some who have started with $10,000, some who have started with $100,000. But one client which really stood out for me, which kind of made me do this video, was a man. I'm not going to obviously name him, but he started trading with $500,000. That's $500,000 he invested into his day trading account. Have in mind, he's never ever traded ever before. He has no experience. He's never even placed a trade before. He actually went to a Forex conference, he told me, and he got basically persuaded by a salesman for one of the brokers to open an account. And he's a very successful businessman, so he does have quite a fair bit of money, and he deposited $500,000. And anyway, he came across my YouTube channel, and he basically said to me, he said, Max, listen, I'm in a lot of trouble here. I've deposited $500,000 and I'm currently losing $320,000. I need you to help. And this all happened in the space of 2 to 3 months. So, you know, it really shocked me how much money people were willing to invest into something they don't even know. Like, people were literally investing their really hard-earned money into something where they've never ever tested the waters before. They've never even tried a demo account. They've never even placed a real trade before, and they're willing to throw six-figure sums. So, you know, I'm pretty sure the majority of you watching this video right now aren't planning on depositing six-figure sums, but whether it be $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, don't. This is where I'm going to help you. So there's a saying I really like, and it's, don't test the depth of a river with 2 feet. You should test it with 1 foot first. And that's exactly what I'm encouraging you guys to do as investors. Most brokers these days, they accept a minimum deposit of $100 to $200. You know, and that is what you should be depositing for your first, and that is what you should be investing for your first deposit. Deposit the minimum. You know, try it. See whether day trading is for you. Most of the YouTube videos that I see of successful traders, you know, jetpacking around the world, traveling here, traveling there, all you need is a laptop to become a successful trader. Yes, this is true, but what they don't show you is your emotions. You know, this is the one thing that, you know, you can't show. You know, me personally, I'm always stressed about trading. You know, I never really sleep well. I wake up early in the morning, think, oh God, what's gold doing today? What's this doing today? How's my investments doing? You know, this is the one thing that people don't show you. So first of all, just see whether trading is for you with $100. And the other thing is that I'm going to tell you this right now. I'm going to level with you and be honest with you. No matter what anyone ever tells you, there's no such thing as beginner's luck in trading. You know, you might have a good run for maybe a day, a week, maybe even a month. But eventually you will make a mistake, and you're probably likely to lose your first deposit. You know, it does happen. Us human beings, naturally, we are all greedy. It even says it on your broker account that 76.4% of day traders lose money. And this is down to us not really having a good risk management. Personally, I believe to become a successful trader, you have to learn through trial and error. Every time, you need to make a mistake, learn from it, and then don't make that mistake again. And that's eventually how your funds will eventually be trading in the green. A lot of people who are watching this video might have already lost 400, 500, 1,000, 10,000 pounds, and now be thinking, trading isn't for me. But what these people should be doing is, thinking, okay, I lost £1,000 yesterday, but I may have lost money, but that's not the important thing. The important thing is that I actually learned a lesson. I paid £1,000 to learn a lesson. I learned a lesson not to invest that much, not to be that greedy. And if you can learn from it, then that is how you will become a successful trader. So that's my first bit of advice to you. Don't go depositing every penny that you have in your savings, because 90% of people will actually lose that money within the first month or two. So start with the minimum amount, $100, $200. Just play around with it. Just see whether trading is for you, and just get to know your trading platform, how to open, close a trade, just the simple things like that. So the second bit of advice that I have for you guys is your approach to trading. Whenever I look onto YouTube now and I see how people are teaching trading, it's only from a technical approach. So many people advertise trading as technical. You should only look at the graphs, uptrends, downtrends, support, resistance, use certain indicators, where actually this is only half of it. You need to know the fundamental approach as well. A perfect trading strategy for me, this is where I actually become a successful trader. When I first started trading, I was actually just taught the technical approach, and I was never actually taught the fundamental. And anyway, from trial and error and just general research, I then actually discovered the fundamental side of it, and then I kind of merged my fundamental strategy and my technical strategy into one, and that's where I kind of found a really nice balance. And it took me about 4 years to actually become a successful trader. So 4 years of just losing money. I was just depositing £200-300 learning, but like I said, I paid £300-400 for each lesson that I eventually learned from, and I never ever did again. So that's my second bit of advice for you guys. Learn both the fundamental and the technical side to trading, and then merge them as one. A lot of people would look at a chart which is just broken out of a uptrend, and they think has just broken up out of a downtrend, and they're thinking, oh my god, it's going to shoot up. But also learn the fundamental side, because there might be a huge bit of data, which might be due to come out the following day, and they might have just bought, and the next minute this data is really bad for that currency pair, and then the market shot back down into a downtrend. So that's why it's really important to learn both the technical and fundamental approaches to trading. So for the third and final bit of advice that I have to you, when you start becoming a day trader, is one of the things that actually makes most people lose money, and that's over trading. At the start, you're so eager to learn, you're so eager to make money, and sometimes you can over trade. I've spoken to some of my clients who follow my trades, and on the side they actually do their own trades, and they sometimes have 10 different trades over 10 separate currency pairs. This is just over trading. It's very, very difficult to know where 10 currencies, to forecast where 10 separate currencies are going to be in the next day, let alone the next month. So my advice to you is actually stick to a couple of assets. So maybe just focus on gold, focus on the euro US dollar, and maybe focus on another commodity like crude, or maybe an indice like the Nasdaq 100. Maybe have maximum 3 assets that you're actually focusing on. Don't overtrade. Also, this leads on to another bit of advice. One thing that you will realize when you're a trader is that you will have sleepless nights, man. Trust me, you will have sleepless nights. There'll be nights when you go to bed, you might have a trade on, and you're constantly thinking about it. You're stressed about it. You have a bit of an anxiety whether it's going to go up or if it's going to go down, and you might fall asleep for a couple of hours, and then boom, 5 a.m. You wake up, how's my trade doing? You're awake, and then once you've opened your eyes, you're thinking, God, I need to monitor this. So although this is very, very, very good, that you're eager to learn and trade, at the same time it probably means that you're over trading. So just calm it down a little bit. The stock market is not going anywhere, and sometimes you just get paid to wait. So be patient. You know, the stock market is not going anywhere, so stop over trading. One other thing you'll soon learn is that you will hate weekends. I hated, when I first started trading, I hated weekends. Saturday and Sunday, the markets were closed. I was thinking, please come on Monday, hurry up. I want to make money, you know. Although this is a good thing once again, at the same time, it probably means that you're wanting it a bit too much. You know, it is possible to want something a bit too much. So just calm it all down. As I mentioned before, the stock market isn't going anywhere. So be very wary not to overtrade, because this can actually cost you a lot of money in the long run. So these are just a couple of tips that I really wish that I could have changed back when I first started day trading. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you found it very interesting and beneficial, and I hope along the line it will save you some money. I'm sure it will. So if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And also, if you are looking for trading signals, please do not hesitate to visit my website. The website link is below this video in the description. Once on the website, you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $199 for a year's membership for our trading signals. You can expect anywhere between 5 to 15 trading signals a week, so it's really good value for money. But that's it for today, so thank you very much, and once again, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks guys.